Prepositions. Hello children, let us learn about prepositions today. Do you know what prepositions are? Prepositions are words that tell us about the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. Look at these images. Munnu is standing on a chair. Anjali took the cake out of the fridge. Joseph writes in his notebook. Rustam is playing with his puppy. The words on, out of, in, and with are prepositions. Let us practice now. Look at this sentence. The train leaves blank noon. Which preposition can we use here? The answer is at. Did you get it right? Let us try another one. Piyush leaves for Mumbai blank Saturday. The answer is on. One more. Keep the ice cream blank the fridge. Here we can use the prepositions in or inside. That is all about prepositions for now. I will see you again in another video.